MSI Thin GF63. Unitysystems Solutions. MSI Thin GF63 12UCX laptop, the ultimate play. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series laptop GPUs power the world's fastest laptops for gamers and creators. They're built with Ampere NVIDIA's 2nd Gen RTX architecture to give you the most realistic ray-traced graphics and cutting-edge AI features like NVIDIA DLSS. Processor: up to 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12450H processor. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 laptop GPU 4GB GDDR6. Up to 1170 MHz boost clock, 45W maximum graphics power with dynamic boost. Storage: 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. Memory: 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. Lightning fast and smooth display. Our gaming laptops tailor-made and highly optimized for gamers. The display comes with a high refresh rate and smooth visuals, allowing you to experience the next level of gaming. Camera: HD type, 30 FPS at 720p. Battery: 3-cell 52.4 battery, WHR. Audio: 2x2W speaker. Audio jack: 1x mic in, 1x headphone out. Stay cool and quiet under load. Fine-tuned to be noticeably quieter and cooler under load, easily blending into any environment.